Okay, let's take a look at the UV maps. First, on the head, you have the face overlapping with the um, the skull, and you can't do that um, because anywhere you overlap, you will have the same pixels. Not to mention, the skull has some very stretched. Basically, looks like a planar map right now. It looks like it was cut but not unfolded. Um, so if we take this and unfold Control U, Control U, Control L, and you can obviously adjust the positions of that. Now there's no stretching and there's no overlapping. So it looks like you didn't manage to unfold it. These, let's take a look. Why am I not seeing checkers on? Oh, super stretched out. Let's see what happens if we try to unfold it just like this. No. So these all need to be UV mapped. Um, so, let's take a look at one of them. I'll just start by going UV planar, and then I'll cut along one side, and actually that might be enough, just cutting, all the way around that way. That'd probably do it. Shift X, and right mouse click object mode, Control U, Control L, and okay, now that looks good. And obviously repeat for the remaining ones. And yeah, it's starting to look like nothing has been unfolded. This looks like it has. Maybe a few too many cuts on this one. Yeah, definitely. So, like, I would take these and move and sew those, move and sew, and then probably these could be part of the same. I could just hit G for previous function. And what else? Probably these, and just G. Oh, did that not work? Do I have symmetry on? Yeah, that's probably going to mess me up. Cut and sew, move and sew. Okay. Yeah, just a lot too many pieces. Unnecessary. G for previously done function. I think this one you could lose. Whoops. Just hitting G every time. So that's looking more reasonable to me. Let's see how that unfolds. Unfold, unfold. Control L. So Control U for unfold, Control L for layout. What is this little guy? Yeah, one of these sides could probably this, and that could be move and sew. Okay, let's try again. Control U. I usually hit it a couple times. Control L. Okay. Check the checkers. And looking good. Oh my god. So this, I think what's happened here is not that anything you've done, but that, see how the geometry is all messed up here? Sometimes that happens when you are using a different version of Maya. Like I'm using the Windows version in Maya 2020, and you're using the Mac version in Maya 2019. So that can happen. So I don't think your UV maps actually look like that. This looks alright. Let's see the checkers. Whoops. What did I just do? Oh, yeah, accidentally repeated it. And this is all stretched out and not unfolded either. So, yeah, you need to cut these up and unfold them. And so, unless for some reason that same issue is happening, that the fact that you're using a different version, I'm not actually seeing the finished UV maps, which is possible. What does it look like? Your image here? It's a little bit hard to tell from that image. that you have on your version. I don't know. So, yeah, let me know. But anyway, here's a checker view applied. Here we go. So I think I wasn't actually looking at what ended up being your final version. I'm a little concerned about these guys. I don't really think those are UV mapped. I don't know. I can't see the back of the head, but kind of seems like some of this stuff. Yeah, I think some of the extra cuts were in here. This is looking okay, actually. And the shoes are looking okay. So I think something with that. I don't think I was seeing the actual real version of yours. So I think if you could resubmit, if you could delete history on everything, just in Maya, just do edit, delete all by type history. Like make sure it's not this one, but this delete all by type history. And then save it, resubmit it, and then I'll be able to really assess it from there. So let's take a look at that.